And then when students graduate, Lindsay, is there anything that you do to make sure that they've got a job, or how are we keeping track of student success?
Yep, so they will get an email when they graduate, usually about the 3-month mark, just seeing if they've worked for 30 days within the first 3 months. If they don't answer that email, I'm bugging them.
Okay.
I'm gonna call you, I'm gonna text you, I'm gonna blow you up until you answer my phone, and let me know if you're working or not. That way I can go ahead and put that date in, and then after that, you don't gotta hear from me ever again.
Okay.
Until you wanna come in for brush up.
Yeah, okay. So when a student does come in for brush up, so they get 2 weeks a year free of charge for the rest of their career. When a student's coming in for brush up, how do you have a role in that?
So they will need to call in and just kind of check with us to see what date they want to come in, make sure it's available. I'll come back with you and just make sure they're good on that. Check their student files, make sure that they were here in time, make sure they weren't terminated or withdrew the program. And then once they come in, they're going to fill me out as another grad employment, just to make sure I have that on top of it.
Okay.
And then usually we do a survey, just to kind of ask them, what do you think about KWI after you've gone? And then from there we will do a Facebook review or a Google review if they would like to participate in that.